Hi, I'm making a leek and potato soup. I'm sweating in my Philips pressure cooker. 2 stalks of celery with 2 stalks of leek without any oil, okay? So while this is being done, I had roasted potatoes, pumpkin and sweet potatoes in here, leftovers from yesterday. I'm heating them up. I will take them up, chop them up and dump them in here, and I've got water boiling in here. So once this is ready, I'll add the chopped roasted pumpkins which I've heated up, plus the hot water, plus some of this. This is going to be my flavoring for today. Okay, I've warmed up my roasted pumpkins, so I'm going to chop them up, just roughly chop them up so that it's easier to turn them into soup. Okay, so this is what I do. It's a bit tricky to do things without a tripod and single-handedly, literally, but you get the drift. Okay, these are the heated up roasted vegetables, pumpkin, potatoes and sweet potatoes, which have been roughly chopped. The whole idea is to cut them so that when you put them in the pressure cooker, water can enter rather than to mash them up. Okay, and here we have the leeks and celery, which are coming along nicely. It's important that you keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. There's absolutely no necessity to use oil at all, as long as you are vigilant and keep stirring. Okay, it may take a few minutes. I don't worry about this, because what I do is once I add the potatoes and the seasoning and the water, I switch it off and start it again on soup mode. Except my pressure cooker is kaput and it doesn't work on soup mode. Usually I use bean mode if I use beans. Otherwise I could use rice mode or whatever. I don't think it makes too much of a difference. As you can see, they're beginning to sweat. A lot of steam coming out and it's beginning to get wet. What would accelerate the process at this stage is to make it acidic. So I'm going to add some white balsamic vinegar shortly. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, here I have some white. Bianco is white. Aceto balsamico is balsamic vinegar from Modena, IGP, whatever it is. Villa Vittoria, it's more than 100 years old, 1889, white condiment with balsamic vinegar of Modena. Okay, so we just need to put a few dashes of this and then give it a good stir. Okay. Acidity or high alkalinity accelerates the Maillard process.